Hey, Stephanie Donahue.
Hey, Mark Rackley.
What's up?
What's up with you?
You know, we just deployed teams.
And
Now what do
now
we do?
what? I don't
Right.
know.
Well, we're supposed to be teaching a workshop on this stuff, so we kind of need to know. So what are we going to be doing?
We are going to talk about a whole lot of stuff, but
Stuff.
not all the basics, right? I think everybody's covered the basics already. This is going to be the next level. So after everything's already been deployed, or maybe you've already gone through that like Teams 101, we're not going to do the basics. You know how channels work, you know how to create a new team. We want to talk about all the other good things at the next level. So I think if I remember correctly, I start with some of them maybe less interesting, like maybe it's interesting. It's less
It's the important
exciting
stuff.
compared to some,
Yes.
yeah, it's the important things like security, compliance, some of the architecture stuff. Yeah, stop. No yawning. It's very important foundational things to know as you're getting your teams deployed. So we'll start things out by talking through that security and maybe organization, compliance, and some, all the little things you can do to tweak your environment and make sure that what do we call it? A fenced-in backyard, so that everybody can be productive, but that we're not restricting them from doing anything that actually we are restricting them from hurting themselves, I guess is how I should say it.
Mm.
And
What about?
then we're gonna have a little more fun. What are you gonna show?
I'm going to actually just go through and show a bunch of demos. Things that we've done in the past, things that you can do in teams that maybe you didn't think about. Maybe give a nice introduction to bots because it's just crazy easy to build bots that like you don't have to be a technical person at all. So, helping people find that right use case too is going to be a great experience. And also, Viva. What the heck is Viva? It's kind of really changing that conversation around teams. If you deployed teams, but you've not looked at Viva yet, you really should. And that's really what you're going to need to look at next. So we're going to go through some of the features of Viva, go through some demos of Viva, and let you know just how massive this Teams thing keeps growing and hopefully give you some direction of where to go next.
Yeah, so to be clear, mostly focused on teams, and then we're going to do kind of more of a sneak peek on Viva and kind of explain, especially if you're coming from, like a SharePoint environment into Teams. A lot of people are asking, like, how do I go from SharePoint to Viva? So maybe we can kind of help with some of those foundational concepts on how to get started, explain, kind of how to layer Viva on what you're already doing with Teams. So it's not hard left; it's more like an add-on kind of thing.
I'll do what I want to. It's our workshop. So yeah, but also the other thing about our workshop is if you've got questions, ask them, right? We love to interact with our audience. Take the discussion where you want it to go and not just what we want to talk about. So come with your questions, come with your ideas, and let's all make it a great workshop.
Sounds good to me.
All right, we'll see you. I'll see you, and actually in person, so that'll be great. And I can't wait. Looking forward to it.
We'll see you soon.